All right, we're doing some more trail clearing. Come up to a point where it's on that side of the excavator. You can see I'm digging down about as deep as the tracks are, which is about knee high, something like that. That's how far I'm down I'm digging. Throwing the dirt on that side so that you have a level road. I'm coming up onto some down trees here. They're not too big, but I thought it'd be kind of interesting to see how I deal with that. But yeah, we're just gonna keep going. I'm gonna have this tree here, split that big around. I'm gonna have this one to deal with. I'm not taking it down. I gotta go around it. But then we've got another, I don't know if you can see it on camera, we've got another small tree here. Unfortunately, I might have to take that one down. That's only about that big around, but it's a nice looking tree, but I'll have to take it down. So keep right on trucking. Thanks for watching.